Good day to all my friends, subscribers, and viewers. So, we have a new listing. So, bag-o yun ni siya guys. 13,000 square meters for sale. Located in Dimiao or Barangay Pagsa, Dimiao, Bohol. So, nanis Barangay Pagsa guys. It's around 6 to 7 kilometers away from National Highway. And this is the boundary, no? The property. So, the property. So according to the owner or seller, you can build your house here at the lowest portion or at the entrance in order to protect, no, to protect that to the wind, so sa hangin. Protektahan ng imuhang kuan sa hangin guys. So dili dayon ka igo sa hangin. Then the top of the mountain can be your uh, amenities, or you can put something that is like a view deck. So pwede, no, pwede gamon nimo nga view deck. Then there are also adjacent lots uh, nga napriso na that was no road right of way that can be also negotiated. So mao ni siya guys. This is an overlooking sea view. So ang nakanindot ani guys kay it's an E&D. Oh, E&D. Alienable and disposable. So pwede siya matituluhan. So mao na siya guys, no. Mao na naka-advantage sa nga property. Then you know this part, no, kanin ay mga kuan dia ari magi tapok mga batanon or nay mga itawag tag mag-date, no, mag-anha, mag-tapok, mga mag-motor, no, pwede man masaka sa motor nya aris kahoy ilaw, no, pwede diha guys. So kana, no, nindot kayo ang atong property nga for sale yun, no. Then according to the owner, no, na kuyog nato, you know, it was the camp, no, the camp of the World War II. So sa may buot pasabot ana guys, kampo kuno nas mga Hapon during World War II. Sus murag nahigitawag ni night treasure, no, sulod sa property. So money yang nasiyang hona, that is his kanang speculations, no, or wata kay ba, no, kung tinuod ba o di ba, basta mani istorya sa owner. So ilan ning gibantayan kung kinsay mo saka dire, kung kinsay mo kuan. So ako na pong istoryahan just in case, no, na ay mag monitor or mag ilan yun gi observe kay, you know, nakuan sila kay na mga lungag diha, nakita nila mo na nga ilan ning gibantayan guys. Pero while they are watching on this property, they're monitoring on this property, they are going to sell, no, ilag yun ning ibaligya. So mo na siya guys. It's an overlooking facing to Mindanao Sea. Then the near portions of the property kana mga bungtod diha, it was owned by the private persons. So mga private mga tag-iyan, mga foreigners nana. Then na basta naay mga dagko nga mga owner diha, pero kining during that time sa ilang pagpalit magod sa una, medyo ubos-ubos pag presyo, barato pa. And this one, according to the owner, if there is a good price, they will accept. So ana ra kung nay maayong presyo, ila ko nung dawaton. So I told him how much, no, how much. He said just let them offer, no, paopiron lang ko, no, kung tagpila man yun, how much. According to him, you know, the price already in this location because of the view. Oh. He compared the price of the same kind of this property nga just only 5,000 square meters nahalin og 4.5 million. nya kini kay 13,000 square meters man ni guys, medyo dako-dako gyud ni, but he is not telling the exact price. So di lang po ko muhatag sa presyo, basta just make an offer na lang, no. 13,000 square meters, so 1.3 hectares. Yeah, gabungtod lang yun siya guys, mao gini siya, no. Bakilid. So this is good for mountain resort development. Nindot yun siya, kana da mga bungtod guys, nanay mga tag-iya, dagkong tao, dagkong tao, ila ko musulti kinsa, basta dagko nga tao. Di po siguro gagmay, dagko yun. Nya kay ang ila man gud guys, okay ni, no, as you can see the mountain, no. They want a good price, mao ra gyud ang istorya. So let us make an offer lang yun, no. Yeah, who knows, I tried to offer 500 pesos per square meter, but according to him, hunahon sa. So ilas ako nung balansihon, pero mao na, initially I offered him 500 pesos per square meter, but he did not accept. But he is telling that they are going to think about it. So siguro, no, siguro because they are thinking about the view, no, the situation of the property, then basta possible na isulod. So mao na istorya, mo na nga, I don't know what he is meant, no, kanang naisulod, pero malagi na di mata kabuot, no. Ingon lang siya, just make an offer. Yeah, mao to ni offer ko 500 pesos per square meter, pero ila sa kuno naon, pero ato na lang yung gi-publish guys, kay sayang sad kayo among pag-ari diri napita. Nga gitultulan mi nga naay for sale dito ana ba. So mao na siya guys. Actually this property is just around more or less, I think it's 1 hour drive from Tagbilaran City and Panglao International Airport. So ana gid siya gilayon. Then from National Highway, it's around 6 to 7 kilometers. The road is not big, just like one lane, no? O sa kalin ra. Dili gyud dako og karsada, pero pwede ra man ta makaipli, kanang gitawag ipli, murag maka kuan ra ta ba, mohunong ta, din mo palaplin tagamay or mulugar tagamay, makakuan ra gyapon, because there are people living in the surroundings or onwards pa to unahan. So mao na siya guys, and this road will connect to the other side of the provincial or highway to Bilar. Mao man ni siya, mao gina siya guys. So ato man ni siyang gi-drone, ato gyang gikuhaan og sakto nga makita ba. So mao na siya guys. So again, this is not yet title. The size is 1.3 hectares or 13,000 square meters. Then the price is not specific, no specific price. Owner said just let them offer, no. Then when I say how about 500 pesos per square meter, they said that they will think about it, no. As you can see, this is the adjacent lot that has the connection to the adjacent of the adjacent property. Then there is also a reservoir, no. Na reservoir kini reservoir man ni guys, so agi problema sa tubig. Na mao na ang road guys, dili kay dako. As you can see no, there is a road no, concrete road, and there is a house. Kanang house guys is kuan na siya guys, kanang sa government na siya, murag kuan na siya, kanang sa term ana, murag kalimot ko sa term giingon sa tao. It's government household, pero dili na siya kining property, dili ni gobyerno guys ha. It's a private owner no. So this is the surrounding, that is the road no. There's a rough road going to the property. So mao gini ang property guys, kanang murag nag chocolate hills no. This one no, kadtong muraga chocolate hills, mao gyud to ang property nga atong baligya. So kini guys, kini that one no, mao gyud ni ang property. So it's along rough road. So makita na tong reservoir no. So mao na siya guys. So as for me, it's a nice, very nice property. Nindot. Okay. Okay. For inquiries, just contact me and please subscribe our YouTube channel. So, kuan guys, kanang transportation pwede na to mo pakyaw ta, or kanang gitawag og tricycle nga binag-o bitaw, kanang bao-bao. So, mao gini ang road guys. Mao ni siya ang road. Okay? So, thank you very much and God bless to all. Happy viewing. Bye.